Pakistan has introduced a documentary system at the international border with Afghanistan. Pakistan has implemented a document system at the international border with Afghanistan. Afghan citizens will now also have to show their passports to cross the border. Caretaker Provincial Information Minister John Akexai has said that passports have been successfully processed at the border. Importation has been started. Around 1,000 tokens have been issued and 200 passports have been delivered at Chairman Passport Office. John Akexai said that Qil'ah Abdullah Passport Office is also fully functional. Despite all the pressure the state of Pakistan has put on a document system, in short, implementation credit goes to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Army Chief and Balochistan Chief Minister for implementing a documentation system, who ensured it. Illegal immigrants are allowed to cross the border once, he said. They can return to their homeland. The future border crossing will be subject to the presence of a passport. The citizens of Afghanistan will now also have to show a passport to cross the border. A document system will make it possible to legally travel across the border.